you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
Gising ako ng 7, pero time check, it's 7:50. Hindi pa ako tapos sa 3 topics, 4 topics. Tapos activity later sa AFAR. Wish me luck. Cram with me.
I said I needed you, but baby that was never true. And it's not personal, it's everything you put me through. I was so tangled, but I'm finding my way out of the puzzle. And baby, maybe you're a little.
Time check, it's 8:28. We are on our way to New City! How cute! Wala kaming far. DJ class. Yeah. So, madami kaming time para kumain.
You know I thought that I was clever, but now I'm piecing it together. I'm thinking maybe I'm a sucker for love.
Hi guys. Friday night, pero mag-aakads. I have to finish my compilations. Let's go. It's 11:11. PSA Grad June 5, 2025. CPA October 2025. It's 11:11 and I'm sleepy. Set an alarm for 5 a.m.
I turned on your 5 a.m. alarm.
Thank you. Good night.
Welcome, this is your life now, the wasteland where we all take a vow. The sun glowed due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. Unsung. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fallout, come our way. With every mutation we'll embrace.
Hindi ko na kaya. I'm sleepy. We are going to organize our MS handouts and activities kasi ipapasa siya sa Tuesday. Let's go. Nung una lang ako nag-organize. Nung huli na, labo-labo na siya dito. text me 4 days before Macwords. Super kabado na. After school, bye.
Not trafficking and wasted time.
With the Free Fire Queen.
Had to hold my hand, but
Hello everyone! Time check, it's 7:40 p.m. Natanggap namin kanina yung scores namin sa MSP Finals. And as expected, hindi ako quali. Pero hindi ko in-expect na 80 ako. Like, I was expecting 9 of 7. Pero, 80. Nagalingan ko na lang sa Macwords. Laban hanggang wala pang final grades.
if I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I never let you go.
Oh my God. Nakipark ako sa Divine. Oh my God. Isa to sa bucket list ko. Mapagdala ng sasakyan sa Divine. Oh gosh. I'm so happy. I made that matcher. Ramdam mo nang sumakses ka yan. Ang napipil mo yan. Sumakses. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Thank you, John!
Afi.
Hi, guys! We're riding.
Haji is currently driving.
Driving for us.
Haji.
Pwede na tayo mag-van. Pwede na tayo mag-kidnap.
We're going to eat lunch. In Makano. Because there's no ulam. Sa kantin.
Ulam sa kantin.
Eh, wait, dala sa sakin si Justin.
Bibili ka din ng kotse, benta niyo yung bahay niyo. Sige, mamaya. Bali, 20 pesos lang po.
Gazette oil? Yeah. Dali ka sa gazette. Rating drive ni Jack. Presyo ng Tesla over 10. Sobrang smooth. Feel ko lumilipad ako. Parang ayokong sumakay sa ibang sasakyan.
11 out of 10. Kasi parang ang sarap tumulog sa biyahe sa kanyang driving.
1,000. Para super perfect. Smooth like.
Parang bago.
Passenger Princess over 10. Nothing compares.
Ikaw.
Life ng goodwill over 10. Indefinite.
100. Kasi nawala yung sakit ng puso.
Wow! Talo ang gamot.
Copyright. Plus 50 years ng life.
Kaya di ba yung petty cash fund ko, 10 million. Mga 10 million pa na mas
Magkano daw kami sa uusang petty cash?
Nag-set siya ng standard. Hindi naman makapagpapalala.
Step by the step. Tapos kung nasakay pa lang namin ganun. Pero hindi na natin kalsadang mukhang mga bago.
Para na sa Manila lang na kahit sa traffic.
Uy, ang galing.
Thank you, Jack! Best driver. Best driver in the world.
100 over 10.
Sabi natin exposure sa vlog.
Ay! Wallet.
Thank you, Ja! Nag-drive si Ja around the whole Calapan.
We're safe!
We're safe!
Wow, touchdown to
Naikot ang Calapan!
Thank you, Jack!
Thank you, Ja!
I am home safe! Yay! Whew. Today was so fun. 5:13 a.m. I am off to McDo to eat breakfast with Teo. Niyaya niya kasi ako. One down. Down talaga. Ito na, far na sunod. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Two down. We're done with RFBT and FAR. The FAR, I think, okay naman. Lumabas kasi yung mga naaral ko. So, by the way, it's 4:59 a.m. Last night, pagka-uwi, nakatulog ako agad. Hindi na ako nakapag-aral kasi I'm too tired and sleepy to study since 2 hours ng tulog ko kahapon. So now, maga ako nagising kasi hindi ko alam may alarm pala ako. Pero okay lang. At least makapag-start ako na maaga. So, agenda for today is to review MS. MS lang. Ang sunod kong exam is on Tuesday, MS and Odd. And MS yung kailangan kong i-grind talaga. Gaya ng law sa Odd, medyo safe. I think safe na ako doon. So, MS ang aralin ko. What I do for review is I answer final pre-boards. Sa FAR, ang sinagutan ko ay si PAR, batch 94, 95, 96, at RESA batch 47, at kalahati ng batch 48. And pre-week ng batch 96 ng si PAR. Sa MS kasi, super daming formulas. I have to memorize it with all my heart, with all my mind, and with all my soul. Ganun level. I have this, quick notes, buong MS formulas. Very helpful siya. Ngayon din ako sa FAR, tax, tapos FAR. Wala akong OD at saka RFPT. Tsaka na siguro pag formal review na. Good siya. Yan. Nag-alarm. Yes, 5. Yung alarm ko, PBB, para feeling ko nasa bayan kami kuya. Yan. Anyway, let us start. Brown out. Backwards day 2. Kinakabahan ako sa MS. Kailangan ko maka 76 and above. Para sure quali. We are done with MS and on. I don't know what to expect. Oh my gosh. Super kabado ko kanina. Kasi feel ko parang wala pa sa kalahati yung tama kong sagot. Thank you, Lord. 77, oh my gosh. Ngayon lang ata ako naging masaya sa 77. 76 yung kailangan ko. Tapos, I got 77. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh talaga. Ang galing. Is it yum?
Huh?
Last day of exams. Congrats everyone, congrats everyone, congrats.
Ba't ka nagpasa na?
Wala nang masagot eh. Congrats. Anong year? Congrats, kuya. That's your congrats, master. My idols.